all those things. The next top story is the plebdevs backend courses here. This is from Bitcoin plebdev, number 27th Bitcoin post, 32 comments, 50K boost, 65K sats.
We have a special guest.
We have a special guest. Oh, wow. Is Mr. Plebdev here in the house right now? Oh, he is. The comeback kid has joined us.
He's got...
do you want to bring a chair over?
Yeah.
Yeah, just use Jimbo's. So Austin has been working hard on this for over a year, dude. I want to say since last November. He's literally been...
Really?
No, last December. I want to say he's literally been like planning this out. And he... let me come over here in the middle. He has put a lot of work into it. Him and Logan have been working on it, but...
Let's go.
Austin, talk about...
Am I among the stackers right now?
You are. Oh, wow, you're wearing the hat?
Oh,
He got the swag? Wow.
It's a daily driver.
Can you first tell the stackers why you don't watch the show?
What, I don't watch the show? Well, I normally watch the show when I'm mentioned only, or when one of my friends is mentioned, which is pretty often. But no, that's not true. I've been watching it more.
I thought you said the other day, you were like, this will be the one episode I watch.
No, I was just joking.
I don't care. I don't get paid for this.
Well, Jana watches.
You do get paid for that.
Jana will actually go back and watch the backlog. She'll listen to the backlog like weeks, months ago.
Oh, cool.
So she's a real one.
So tell us all about plebdevs.
Yeah. Well, plebdevs is just kind of it's a very small niche community right now, but it's basically trying to answer the question of like, what is the journey to both learning how to code, but then also building Bitcoin and Lightning apps. And it's something that's not talked about a lot. Like normally the people that build Bitcoin and Lightning apps, they were already app developers, and then they learned about Lightning, they learned about Bitcoin. But if you're a total noob, the journey it's really daunting. It's really big. So this was kind of my journey into Bitcoin, and through my experience and the insights I've learned, I'm trying to kind of like expedite and simplify the path to doing that. So that's what this backend course. This is the second course in our series. Shout out to Logan for the awesome video.
Is Ben shooing you right here?
Yep.
Wow.
Ben shoes me. This was one of my first ideas actually for the video.
Comes full circle now. He got shoot from Marty. Now Ben's shooing somebody else. This is how it starts. Don't shoot anybody in a year, Austin.
I will never shoe anyone. I promise. I'm never gonna let the shoe turn on the other foot. But yeah, so this course is pretty big compared to the first one. You need to have a little bit of JavaScript experience, but the goal here was like to give you both a backend intro course. So basically what you would learn in boot camp if you were learning backend development, but then at the same time to teach you how to work with Lightning to build a Lightning app.
Yeah. So in the video here, you're like struggling trying to figure out something, and then this magical man walks by who looks like Keyan's finger, says you're missing a semicolon.
Man, shaped like a finger.
Yeah. Keyan had no idea.
I was saying yesterday, I was like, why does Keyan keep coming in all these videos? We have other really smart people here that could be in these videos. I'm just saying.
I don't know why they wanted man alive. I'll try to get into that.
Well, originally we were gonna have Super. Super was gonna be the one to help me fix the bug, but Super wasn't here, so we asked Keyan last moment.
Yeah,
he was our fill-in.
Yeah,
but it makes sense. Keyan is the type of guy that just walk by and
yeah, you're
tell
like
me I'm doing
you're like literally
wrong.
sit right in front of him. Yeah, this is great, man. I love what you did. You have it available on Emeralize. Dude, it seems like a lot of people, I know there's like somebody called The Wild Hustle that's like jumping into it.
Yep.
You can pay for it in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's pretty thorough, man. Can you just kind of tell us a little bit about the lessons and what they can expect?
Yeah, it's basically, so it's kind of split up into 3 sections. Section 1 is writing a server. What is a server? What is an API? Like we define literally all of our terms, and we start by learning Node.js, which is just JavaScript for the backend, JavaScript that runs on your machine. So there's the server section. There's the Lightning section where we set up our local Lightning development environment and connect into it and start sending payments. And then the final section is database, where we learn all about databases from scratch and set up our own database. And then in the final lesson, we deploy everything. How do we actually ship it straight into prod? We learn how to do that at the very end. So, maybe you have some of the intro stuff figured out. So maybe you don't need those lessons. You can, you can pick and choose the lessons if you want. And also all of the code, all of the slides are actually free on GitHub. I think I linked to them in the post as well.
Nice.
So if you don't want to pay,
You should pay. He worked really hard on this.
well, it's okay.
Like,
I feel
really hard.
guilty about charging for it at
So
all,
you
but
put like well over 100 hours into this, right?
maybe 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took a little longer than I wanted.
Support them, stackers. Sap them.
But yeah, this is the second course for now. We'll have more workshops coming out. A third course, and then I want to eventually take all this material and build it into a type of boot camp.
Nice.
We're a little while from that, but
Yeah.
that's what the future's looking like for me.
Great job. Let's see what the stackers are saying. The stackers, well, it looks like Nemo deleted his. And then I think I said Ben Carmen shooting people. But yeah, it looks like David W. said exactly what we've needed. Congrats on getting this content recorded into the wild. We'll be sure to get involved. Great. Thank you. Let's effing go. Why is there a lot of deleted stuff? What's going on?
We're getting censored.
We're getting censored. No, great job, man. Keyan, you have anything to add?
No, I mean, I think Austin and I discussed this, I don't know, around the time I first met Austin, like the need for something like this, or that I can see demand in the market for something like this. So I think it's really cool that he's meeting the demand when no one else is, and I think he's really well suited to meeting the demand as well, given that he's had an accelerated learning path for programming and has come a long way. I think he knows more about the steep cliff than many people would, and so I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I think from my side, I'm just so proud of him, man. Like seeing when I met Austin when he first came in, he's just very hungry. He wanted to get out there and start doing things, and it's just good to see his transformation over the course of however long it's been. So proud of you, man.
Yeah,
Very
man.
proud of you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to learn how to code, literally just hit me up, check out the material, or just DM me. We can start from zero.
DM you where on Noster?
How many people do I have
In the course.
in the new course?
Yeah.
So far, I think it's about 30
Nice.
across both the platforms. So, want to pump up those numbers, but people, it's not an intro. Well, it is an intro course, but you need to have a little bit of programming experience. So I still want to find all those people that still need to start from zero and connect with them. So if that's you, definitely hit me up on Twitter, on Noster. You can find me under plebdevs. Yeah. The plebdevs Discord, I linked to that in the post. And then I'm Bitcoin plebdev everywhere else.
Nice. Thank you, Austin.
Thanks, y'all.
That's great.